So what's up guys, it's your boy back on Game here, back with another video. So today we're gonna be reviewing this all wheels playset, which is horse jet car wash, and like my grandma bought it for me like 2 years ago, which is 2 or 1 year ago. 2 or 1 year ago, yeah, which is like August 3, I guess 3 or 2. I don't know. I don't remember that. I forgot. So yeah, it's kind of it's fantastic. I guess I play this game. Play it. So yeah. So by the way, though, it's the car with angles for this set and rip. Look, rip this car. I just customized it and just ripped. Let's rip. So this car is Velocita, which I think this car is from 2015. It's a race team. I forgot which one it is. I forgot. So let's just place it. So first go to the elevator, and then load those phones, I guess, and window. Oh, so what is this? I don't know, I'm not sure. It's okay if you don't have any lashes cars for this playset. Oh, it is thunderstorm style. I think you guys hear the thunder. So okay, so yeah. You can also open this thing. See if I can open. Oh, almost step left. Oh my god, people come weak. Okay, there you go. I did it. So yeah, put this car on here. I think I can get with the car. Oh my god, I have to do this. Okay, there you go. Yes, so I did it. So you put your car here, then space this thingy. This is a basket, I guess. Love. I think this is a basket. What a basket! I like to call it what a basket. Okay. And was stuck there. Oh my god. I think you guys can hear the loud thunder. That's gonna be loud. Not loud, it's scary. And my finger is stuck in there. And yeah, I think there's a fan. Okay, my mom's came, so I'm gonna say go. Yeah, so yeah. So you can drive under the car here. I like choose this one. Yes. I think you guys can hear thunder sounds. Let's try this with another car. Okay, so that car is, it's see you later. You wanna see this? I got this car from All Cybertron Kicker, which is 2018, about the update version with this car. See you later. Okay, see you later. Peace. Just kidding. Like the name is so weird. The name sounds so weird. Oh my god. So yeah. I think this is a license car. It's okay if you don't have a license car. Then again, I guess it is again. What the bottom bucket thing? I think you put water, but sorry, there's some holes, so you can't. It will fall with those holes. By the holes, I guess. You know, so it does. Yes. So let's try with the fast fish. It's on 18, but it's in licensed car. Yeah, I mean it's okay. It's fine. Oh, I think it's fine. Ignore it, guys. I know licensed car. What this playset? I think this playset released in 2017, I guess. And no, I think late 2016, which is like December 2016. Not sure. So yeah. Yeah, this was my first playset. I have more, which is like and that is science lab. All this stuff is I love that car. Yeah, that is a classic car, and that is my first classic car. Okay, the first playset. It's a dusty because bought 2 years ago. Yeah. Okay. Then she was in America. She's from Bangladesh, but she was in America for 6 months. So yeah. And this is the storage. I think you should put it around. So it's a portable set. Which where like you put this car here. It will fall, just look. It maybe fall. Maybe this. So always it fall. Try to do this. So yeah. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Also please subscribe, like and share. Also subscribe to my second channel and third channel. As always, peace. Tomorrow is my exam, so inshallah pray for me. Bye guys.